Summer heat got your garden looking crispy? Don't give up yet! In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 7 heat-tolerant vegetables you can plant right now to keep your garden thriving, even when temps hit triple digits. These crops were made for the heat, and they'll keep producing when others quit. Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we grow smarter, not harder. If you're new here, I'm all about helping you grow fresh food no matter the season or the weather. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump into 7 summer tough veggies you can count on in the heat. First up, okra. If your garden has full sun and blazing heat, okra will feel right at home. It grows fast, thrives in poor soil, and loves hot, humid weather. Keep harvesting those pods when they're small for tender, tasty results, and your plants will keep cranking them out. Next is the sweet potato. This is a heat-loving root crop that doubles as edible ground cover. The vines shade the soil, reduce weeds, and the tubers grow deep where it's cool. They're low maintenance and practically bulletproof in the summer heat. Regular spinach bolts in heat, but Malabar spinach totally thrives in it. It's actually a climbing vine with thick, juicy leaves that are just packed with nutrients. If you train it on a trellis, you can harvest greens all summer long. It's honestly one of the best greens you can grow in extreme heat. Eggplant doesn't just tolerate heat, it really loves it. These bold plants want full sun and hot temps, and if you keep the soil moist and give them enough space, you'll be harvesting those glossy purple fruits in no time. They're just perfect for grilling or roasting in your summer meals. From bell peppers to hot chilies, peppers just thrive in summer heat. They do need consistent watering and a little afternoon shade in those extreme zones, but they'll totally reward you with a spicy or sweet harvest all season long. Honestly, heat actually boosts flavor in many pepper varieties. Also known as black-eyed peas, cowpeas are true heat champions. These legumes love hot, dry conditions and help fix nitrogen in the soil too. They're great for poor soils, and you can harvest them green or let them dry on the vine for storage beans. Last but definitely not least, Armenian cucumbers. Technically a melon, they taste just like cucumbers, and honestly they grow like crazy in extreme heat. Unlike regular cukes, these won't turn bitter in high temps. They're super crunchy, refreshing, and just perfect for summer salads. Here's a quick tip to help these crops thrive. Use mulch to keep the soil cool and moist, and water early in the morning when the sun is low. A layer of compost around the base can also help hold nutrients and prevent heat stress. So which one of these heat-tolerant vegetables are you planting this summer? Or are you growing a different heat-loving veggie I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your garden friends. Be sure to subscribe for more seasonal tips, DIY garden hacks, and ways to grow more food in any weather. Stay cool and keep growing. I'll see you in the next one.